Hello everyone, I'm Jenda from Cebu City and you're watching The McQueens!
Hi guys, as you can see, I've been in the shower and I've done my hair. My makeup. So Lily is in Lily's bedroom and she's gonna go sleep. So I have a chance to try my Dyson Supersonic. Matagal na silang mayroong nito guys. Kaya lang ngayon lang ako na kasi it's not really, I don't think it's like necessity or really needed. But I was able to have it yesterday. Ayun, salamat. And I don't know, for some reason I just wanted to try it. I think the only reason I like to have this is because it's very small, you guys. And I don't know, nakaka-curious siya. So let's give it a try. So yun, teka lang, pakita ko pala sa inyo kung anong laman. When you open it, meron siyang, ito yung, yung unit or yung blow dryer. Meron siyang mat dito na, nabubuksan siya ganun, ayun. And then you can put it on the, dito? Pwede mo siya ilagay ito sa may table so that hindi mauhulog yung blow dryer. And then ito is for, diffuser, para sa kulot ang buhok. So you just have to put it like that to dry your hair and keep your curls naturally curly. So ayan. They have this small one or very thin one. This is para sa concentration ng pag-style ng buhok. So kung gusto mo na pag using your rollers or yung parang roller na hairbrush, you use this. Or this one is drying and at the same time
Are they talking about doggy time?
yeah. Sorry about that. Alright, and this one is for drying and styling at the same time. And alam yung diffuser. And nakakatuwa dito, meron siyang parang ang hirap, kaya ayoko mag-beauty vlogger eh. Mga ganyan-ganyan eh. Anyway, meron siyang ganito guys, so pwede mo siyang isabit. Pero wala naman may sabitan. But if you want, kung may sabitan kayo and you want to hang your blow dryer like that, you can have this, like this. So yeah, try ko lang siya. Oh, and it has manual din. Parang ito sa phone, itong Dyson na blow dryer, para siyang parang iPhone kasi may mga ganyan-ganyan siya. May mga plastic, and then yung pagkaka-box niya, parang para siyang sa iPhone. So, ayan. So, diba, may balot. So, I think they have black and pink na ganyan. So, I don't want to make this very long kasi hindi naman ito, pang makeup vlog or beauty vlog on the channel. It's more of a family, but I just want to show you guys. Ay! Wow! Sorry. First time ko na try. Okay, it has 4 buttons. Ito yung pang on and off. Ayan, meron siya, as you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, but there are 3 lights here and 3 lights here. Ayan. And this one is kung gaano kalakas. Ayan. And this one is, I think, kung gaano kainit, I think. Yeah. Ayan. Also, it has this button right here, yung may blue button, para naman siya sa instant na malamig. And I think you have to hold it. Yeah. So, malamig yung init tuloy, yung hangin. I'm not sure. Mabilis siya mag-dry in fairness. But I'm not sure if it's any different than yung sa blow dryer ko talaga. Mas prepare. Okay. Maglalagay lang ako ng argan oil if I can find it. Kasi argan oil is really, will make your hair looks really good. siya, guys. Tan! I don't think malaking pagkakaiba na nung aking blow dryer talaga. But, kagandahan lang nito is magaan siya, you guys. So, hindi ka makakaganyan. Especially, hindi ka makamali nakakaganyan. Especially, sa akin na makapalang buhok. As in, makapalang buhok. Ang 3 tao nga na. So, look at that. I like it. Pero kung siguro kung sa pag-uusapan yung price is I think 21,500 or 900, something like that. I don't think super duper worth it siya para dun sa ano, sa price niyang yun. Show them your teeth. You look cute. Wow. So I was very happy. Me. Kasi namili lang kami ng ng Christmas tree and then mga Christmas decoration. Pero hindi alam ni Daddy Phil, may plano ako, babatripin ko siya. Kasi gusto niya talaga sa aming Christmas, wala naman siyang talagang prefer na Christmas decoration. Ang gusto lang kasi niya, huwag mag-decorate until December 1, right? We won't put it up until December 1. You're not allowed that, why? Bad lucks. So, ang gagawin ko, one of these days, i-set up ko siya, mapatulungan kay Gigi. As in talagang hindi man bonggang. As in yung mga pinili ko, OA na OA. Yung gagawin nating decoration sa bahay na hindi ko alam kung ano mapafeel niya about it. Pero, I think magiging nakakatawa siya sobra. So, yeah. Pinaiwan ko muna yung mga pinamili dun sa baggage area para daanan lang namin. And hindi siya masyadong makalata. And then sinabi ko rin sa kanya that my mom asked me to buy some stuff for Christmas decoration sa bahay. Pero hindi niya alam, lahat yon nung binili ko is para sa aming bahay. So, it's gonna be funny. No, you need to sit down. Oh my. Oh, no, like that. Face. Oh.
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me to get
Mommy's here. Mommy just went wee-wee. Huh? Why'd you cry? You think what? Mommy went bye-bye? Mommy's not gonna go bye-bye without my Lily. That's not possible. Huh? Asus! Asus! Nagpa-baby! Asus! Nagpa-baby! Ayan, Mommy's baby. Baby. Hello guys. So, magagabi na. Maghapon. Ay, sorry anak. Ayun, pagbalik namin galing sa pamimili, natulog si Lily and kami ni Daddy Phil have been staying in the bedroom nanonood siya ng pelikula. And ako, nag-edit ako ng intro. Yung intro na nakita nyo kanina, yun yung in-edit ko maghapon. Since, I think, mga 2 o'clock in the afternoon. No, yeah, mga 2 o'clock in the afternoon until now na mag-6 o'clock. So, ayun yung in-edit ko. Maiksi lang siya, pero ganun siya katagal yung process. But anyway, kuha na ko lang sila ng slippers. What's that?
Pepper.
Where?
Ladybug.
Oh, ladybug is purple. Yeah. Isip po ng baby ko, ha? Anyway, where's your slippers? Anyway, here. Can you put it on, please? Thank you. Good girl. Look. You wanna say, Daddy, come on. Bye-bye. Actually, iwanan natin si Daddy. Dahil si Daddy reklamador. Reklamador po ang asawa ko. Kaya hindi ako nag-vlog after, kanina nung pagkatapos ko mamili. On the way namin pabalik. Kasi siya yung nagpunta ng baggage claim habang nagbabayad ako ng the rest ng pinamili ko. E pagdating na pagkatanin niya, sabi niya, really? Dala niya yan lahat and nabigla siya. Paniniwala niya, dapat hindi naglalagay ng Christmas decoration until December 1. Which is sa atin naman, September pa lang nagkakabit na tayo, diba? So, culture shock. Charot. Please, sit on your trolley. Lily! Lily! Makulit na talaga siya, oh. Come on, sit here. Come on, sit here. Why? Why you don't want to sit here? Come on, please. Come on. Give mommy your hand. Come on. Give mommy your hand. You're a good girl, aren't you? Come on. Okay, good job. Oopsie. Alright, we sit here, okay? Why? Mommy push. Mommy will push. Why? Because it's easier for mommy. Tickle, tickle, tummy. Oh. Come on, sit here. So we can go bye-bye. Mommy push. Oh, come on. Come on, mommy will push. Come on. Please. Oh, mommy, bye-bye na. Bye. Oh, you have to sit down here. Good job. Okay, wait for mommy. Ito yung pinananghalian rin namin kanina. Sinigang na baboy and tortang talong.
Baby finger.
Ginit din ako ng rice. Do you wanna eat na? Naka-prepare na yung food mo. Come on. Sit down na.
Baby finger.
Daddy, it's finger. No, don't teach her.
She says finger.
Yeah, because she can't say it properly.
Baby finger. Baby singer! Baby singer! Daddy got juice. Daddy got juice.
No, not yet when she's not eating yet.
Daddy got juice. Daddy got juice.
No, Daddy doesn't have juice. I'm serious. She's not had meal. Go on. Sit down in your chair.
Come here. Come here.
Come on, Mommy's gonna sit with you.
Mommy sit.
Ulit ang aking mag-ama. Ulit. Ito yung bantay ko si Lily. Nagpapaligo. Actually, siya lang magliligo mag-isa. Charot. Pinaliguan ko siya, sinampuan ko siya ng sinabunan and ayan. But gusto niya lang nagbabad sa, sa bubble bath. Yeah. Ayan. Kailangan na nga napalitan ito eh, kasi lumang-luma na itong kanyang bath. And at the same time, kahit linisin, meron siya mga nakasiksik na mold dun sa drain. May drain kasi siya eh. So siguro, dun sa mga mommies out there, marami. may mga mommies na nag-message sa akin na gumawa ako ng tawag dito, parang review sa mga toys, sa mga books, and sa mga gamit-gamit ng baby, especially those mga young mommies na first-time moms. I would love to do that. Siguro pag may time na lang. But, ayun, isasingit-singit ko siguro siya sa mga vlogs. And if ever na hindi ko siya masingit sa if ever na kailangan ko talaga ng full review, ilalagay ko siya dun sa isa kong channel, which is TheMcQueens. I'll put the link right here. So make sure to check that out and subscribe kayo doon para ma-notify kayo pag once na nag-upload na ako. And to start with this, and so nabili ko tong bath na to guys sa baby company. It's okay. May kasama na siyang parang higaan ng baby. So parang nung newborn pa siya, pag ganito yung pagkakalagay ng patungan, and nagagamit ko siya ng gusto. Nagamit ko siya ng mabuti, but then, pag tagal-tagal ito, ang problema dito is kung araw-araw mo siyang gagamitan, di ba? Kahit araw-araw mo pa siyang hugasan, kailangan, kapag hindi mo siya in-scrub with toothbrush and banlawan ng husto, yung bawat sulok-sulok, may maiiwan doon ng sabon and water, and nag-start siya parang mag-green, para maglumot-lumot, and okay lang sana yung pag-apply, yung sa plastic niyan, kasi madali siya matanggal eh. Pero kasi yung drain niya, yung takip sa drain niya is rubber, so marami siyang kanto, yung mga singit-singit. Minsan hindi mo siya napapansin, and after a few weeks, makikita mo nag-mold na siya, so nakatakot siyang gamitin. So, hindi ko naya sila na magbabad ng hustong-husto kasi although sa ilalim naman yung mold niya, hindi naman sa ibabaw. Kaya lang, medyo alang-alin pa rin. So, thumbs down siya sa akin. At kapag ayaw pa, ay, nakumahon? Lily, what's this? What's this? Dede! Ahon ka agad, no? Teka, we have to rinse you. Nalaman ko muna siya. Anybody wants to read a book?
Yes.
Yes. What do you want to read? Which one? You want this?
It's Little Lamb.
Little Lamb. Alright, come on. Let's read your book. So guys, we're in bed. I'm gonna have to end my vlog. Hey, what do you think about our shopping earlier?
Go shopping.
My shopping. What do you think about it?
It's great.
It was great. Did you like the stuff that I bought?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
The snow globes, does it?
Huh?
I like the snow globe.
The snow globe. How about everything else?
I've not seen it yet.
You're not seeing it. You're not seeing it. You've not seen it.
No, not really. Why?
So, can I put it up tomorrow?
Yeah.
I thought you said no.
If you want to put it up, you know, put it.
You said it's bad luck.
It is. Bad luck from you, not me.
I guess I'm gonna end my vlog. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, subscribe if you're ready, and I will see you guys on the next one. Like this.
No, you're fine.
Like this.
No, you're alright.
Why?
No.
You were gonna do it.
No, I wasn't good at it.
Yeah, you went like this.
No, I wasn't.
I'm going to rewind it. A piece.